Mrs. Chicken Turuleca. She's an interesting case. Mrs. Chicken Turuleca. She is crazy, I must say. Mrs. Chicken Turuleca has laid an egg, has laid two, has laid three. Mrs. Chicken Turuleca has laid four, has laid five, has laid six. Mrs. Chicken Turuleca has laid seven, laid eight, has laid nine. Where is this little hen? Just give her a second and just watch her lay 10. Mrs. Kristen bought this brand new little chicken who looks like a canned sardine. Her legs are thin as wire and she's hungry and she's tired, and her wings have no feathers at all. She lays eggs in the dining room and in the kitchen too, but never outside in the farmyard. Mrs. Chicken Turuleca, she's an interesting case. Mrs. Chicken Turuleca, she's crazy, I must say. Mrs. Chicken Turuleca has laid an egg, has laid two, has laid three. Mrs. Chicken Turuleca has laid four, has laid five, has laid six.